Hi there, Kate from the Full Freezer, back again with Instant Brands cooking with the Instant Pot Pro Crisp this week, and we are going to be making a freezer stash butternut squash and sweet potato soup. Now this is a lovely, spicy, warming soup, absolutely perfect for those winter days and super quick as well. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, we are going to preheat our Instant Pot. So we're just popping it onto the sauté function. So this is just going to start to warm up. Now, whilst that's warming up, just taking a look at the ingredients we've got. We've got frozen red onion, some frozen butternut squash, frozen sweet potato, frozen garlic, frozen ginger. Now, these can all be bought in a supermarket, ready prepped, ready to go, and you can use them straight from frozen. So this is really convenient to have in your house just for those days where you can't really be bothered, but you want something nice, quick and hearty. Okay, so we're going to start with sautéing our onions. So I've got a bit of butter here. You could use coconut oil, you could use just vegetable oil, whatever you've got in stock. Now, this is going to go quick. Then pop in our red onion as well. We're then going to add in our frozen butternut squash, so that can go straight in there, and our frozen sweet potato as well. So we're just going to give this a little bit of a stir. Garlic, so I'm going to add about a teaspoon. You can obviously make it a little bit more garlicky if you like. We've also got about a teaspoon of ginger. If you like it spicier, add a little bit more ginger as well. And then we're going to add a big pinch of cumin. Again, you could use cumin seeds if you want. I'm going to add a little bit more for some extra flavour. And some chili flakes too. So just going to pop those in, and then we're going to give it a little stir again. And then we are literally just going to pop in our veggie stock. So I've got half a stock cube here with 300 ml of water. If you want it a bit saltier, you could put a whole stock cube in. You could use veggie stock or you can use chicken stock. And then we're just gonna stir it a little bit more, and then we'll cancel the sauté function. And then we're gonna pop it onto pressure cook for 8 minutes. Okay, so this has had 8 minutes cooking. It's now come on to the keep warm setting, which basically means that if you're doing other things around the house, you can totally just leave this and it will just naturally release the pressure over time. If you're in a rush though, you can just hit the switch at the top and we're going to release this pressure, which will happen really quickly. Okay, so once the pin has dropped and the pressure is released, we can take the lid off. Do be really careful because of course this is going to be super hot. And then all you need to do is grab a hand blender and we're just going to blend it straight within the pot. So that's it, my spicy butternut squash soup cooked straight from frozen in the Pro Crisp. Now, the beauty of this recipe is it serves two, so if you're just the one, you can absolutely freeze the leftovers. Now, if you were doing this, I would basically pop them in a freezer bag, make sure you label it so you know what it is, and then freeze it flat on a tray. Once it's frozen flat, you're going to be able to take much less space in your freezer and it will defrost super quick. But for now, I'm going to leave that over there because I want to enjoy this. So I'm going to be adding a dollop of crème fraiche and I'm going to be adding a little bit of black pepper. Now, I would love to know if you give this recipe a go. Please do tell me in the comments, are you a crème fraiche fan or are you going to leave it as it is? Oh, that's amazing. Proper winter day food.